Right, folks, let's get right to it. We're in Costco, and the first thing I've come across is this massive roll cab. That looks really good quality. This is like the Costco's own brand version. Now, I've seen some roll cabs, and they're stupid amount of money. So this is not a bad of a bargain, really, in the grand scheme of things. But if you've got one, let me know in the comments down below. It'd be much appreciated. If I had space, I'd definitely have that. There's no tools with it or anything, but it just looks really good quality. So if you need extra power, they've got these leads here. I think that's a bit pricey, to be perfectly honest with you. And then they've got this vacuum shop vac. I've had one of these before, really good. It could do with a power tech off though. If you want a petrol jet wash, here you go. I don't know what the brand's like. Champion. Now these seem to sell quite well. They always sort of low stock when I come in here. Little compressor, and then the portable generator, a Champion again. If anybody knows about this brand, please let me know down below. So you've got some spack screws here. I think this is a bit on the pricey side, to be perfectly honest. I may be wrong, $29.99 plus the VAT. And then a nice electric spacey, or if you've got a small sort of, room in your house or something that you're working out of, maybe crafting. Some of these organisers here, I don't know what they are. I thought I'd put them on the video, obviously for, being organised, aren't they? But is it something that's really needed? I don't know. Let me know. Some mould and mildew remover there, just randomly put there. Now, I've had these gloves before. They are really good, but they seem to have gone up in price. I think I paid £11 plus VAT last time for a box, but they are good. Now, this is something I'm going to be coming back in a couple of weeks, and I'm going to be buying one of these, or maybe two. I've had one before, and they're brilliant. It's just for something I've got planned, so I'm going to need a couple of them. So you'll see that on future videos, but I do highly recommend them. These weird looking gloves there, don't know what they're for. If you want to look like a lunatic, here's some headband flashlights for you. I've got to do a review on some headband flashlights. A company sent me some. And here we go. These toolboxes look solid and robust. Then next to that, you've got the DeWalt twin pack organisers. They're not T-stack compatible, these. They're just, so don't be fooled by that one. And then these Stabila levels. Now, I think this is an absolute bargain. I bought a level on one of my projects, defence build. I bought a level, that cost me £20 from Screwfix. So you get a set of 3 here, and a really good brand. So these are supposed to be really good. The Stanley Fat Max tape measures. And then you've got this mechanics set, $89.99 plus the VAT, takes it well over £100. Is it worth it, or is it a gimmick just because it's got DeWalt on? So this looks like a good 216mm Metabo KGS 216M. And another DeWalt sort of mechanics type set. Dremels for people that are into doing Dremely things. You always seem to have good deals on Dremels in here. Now this seems a solid deal. This Metabo set, the drill and the case, and you get a load of accessories with it, batteries. Metabo is going to be one of them brands I'm going to be looking more into. £99 plus the VAT, and there's that Metabo saw out the box. Looks a nice solid saw, that. If you're setting up your first saw, that kind of thing. DeWalt drill there with a case and battery and that kind of thing. So I'll come across these, £9.99 a set plus the VAT. I'm going to pick a set of these up because I'll just give them a try. Bosch Professional, another brand I want to take a closer look at. I have got a miter saw by Bosch, and that's a Bosch Professional. It's excellent. You see me use my Makita, but I've still got the Bosch one. I won't part with it. I do like it, so I'll look into more of the Bosch Professional. And here's some more Bosch Professional stuff. Now, I didn't pick these up. I didn't think I've got a use for them. I seem to have all these tools that's in there. So, nice, strong and sturdy DeWalt tool bag there. If you're going out on site or you're, you know, a bit of an handy odd job man, that kind of thing. These look nice and solid and robust. So if you've got a garage shed and you want a bit of extra lighting, security lighting, that kind of thing, I thought I'd put this in the video. I know you can pick cheaper versions up off Amazon. Carbon monoxide detector. Be safe, guys, if you're using like the diesel heaters and the petrol heaters in your shop. Some industrial racking there. It's solid. Some tarpaulins. If you're painters and decorators, that kind of thing. Or you're doing something up in your house. Bit of DIY. Little inflator there. This is supposed to be a really good brand. Now, if anybody knows about this, let me know. Fantic. And then these are really handy. Really, really handy to have. Just, you know, in your car or your van or whatever. Dash cams there. These, I've seen some of these rigged up where people have used them, like on the sheds and garages and things like that. I don't know what they've done to them to make them like that. Now, these interest me, but no, not at that price. The EcoFlow power bank thing. If any of you guys have got one of them, please drop it in the comments. Let me know what they're like. Little sort of wheelie stool there.
So is it like a big run up now?
Nice solid little thing again. This shocked me how bad this was. When I, when I was having a look at it and a feel of it and that kind of stuff, it's like honestly, it feels garbage. And for that price, no thank you. If you've got snow, here's a snow brush. Just randomly in there, snow brushes. It has been snowing in the UK in some parts as well. So you've got all your oils and lubricants and that kind of stuff if you're into your motoring and your cars, that kind of thing. Some towels there. And there's these shop towels, but you'll see at the end bit of the video, I bought some of the other type ones they've got in here. Twice the amount for less money. So keep warm in your sheds and garages, guys. They've got a good range of thermal outerwear here. They've got loads of it in. Some of it's expensive, some of it's good prices, so it's worth a look. Keep you warm. These DeWalt boots and steel toe cap trainer type things here. I picked one up. They seem nice and solid. If you're a DeWalt fanboy, like a bit like me, but I didn't get a set. I'm trying to get to the prices best I can there. So if you can't get to the prices, I do apologise. Hunter Wellies. And here's Shelley with her tape. She said these might come in useful. I don't know what they're coming useful for, but, I put them on the video. I'm passing, I might as well. So these look really interesting, don't they? I might pick a couple of these up next time. If they don't sell it, I should have picked a couple up while we're here. I come in the car, not in my van, so really, I would have picked up 10 of them. I think they'd be really useful in your workshop. Keep your hands warm. They've got a range of gloves, thermal gloves, that kind of stuff. It's always worth keeping warm in it. So they've got these heated sort of vests type thing, Gilets. I thought, oh yeah, fancy one of them. I'm thinking, they might be about £20 or something like that. And then I looked at the price, $39.99 plus VAT. Now, you've got these hand warmers, Zippo hand warmers. What a nice little gift that would be for someone for Christmas. I thought I'd get this in. I'm on a diet, and that is I'm getting it. I'm getting one. I'll have that at Christmas, as you can see there in the front of the shopping cart. So good bin bags is always a necessity for them, and these are them. We use them all the time. And here's these shop rags. Really good these are. So guys, I thank you for watching the video. This is a quick tour round. On to the next video. There's a video out Sunday night. A good video. Bye for now.